now for the Lexus of Madison High School Football Drive of the Week.
We're here in the fabulous showroom at Lexus of Madison. Lots of great cars to choose from. Today we're going to talk about the Lexus CT200H. This is a beautiful car.
This is a great car. This is the only car in the Lexus lineup that comes only hybrid, and it is a fun car to drive.
So what's the big draw here? You mentioned hybrid.
Right.
What are people coming out to this vehicle for?
This car is perfect for those of you out there that, you love the idea of the Prius and the economy and the affordability and the gas mileage, but you're looking for more of a driving experience.
Okay.
The CT is definitely the car. It's got more power, it's smoother, quieter, much more fun.
Okay, I believe it. You've sold me.
Right.
But why is now the best time to buy? We were talking about this before we started. It really is a great time to come out and purchase a vehicle.
Yeah, absolutely. Now's the best time of year where you have all of the 16s still remaining, 87 at the time of this filming. So it's a great opportunity to get a great deal on a 16.
Okay, there's literally 87 2016s left on the lot right now.
That's
okay.
it. Right.
Okay,
Right.
so you
So
can get a
great
great
opportunity to get a great deal on a 16. Or if you like the latest, greatest technology, the 17s are on the way.
So the best of both worlds here at Lexus of Madison right now.
Right.
So the CT200H is available. Come take a test drive. You sold me, I'll take it.
All right, sounds good.
This has been a Lexus of Madison High School Football Drive of the Week.